Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter 15 of our English grammar book, that is verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are doing words or action words. Verbs are those words which tell us what a person, animal or thing does. Those words are called verbs or doing words or action words. For example, look at the first sentence. Meena goes to school every day. In this sentence, the word goes, this is a doing word. In the second sentence, birds fly in the sky. In this sentence, the word fly tell us what do the birds do in the sky. So, this is a doing word or action word. Now, come to exercise A. Underline the verbs in these sentences. Eat your breakfast quickly. In this sentence, eat is a verb. Number 2. My sister sings well. In this sentence, sings is a verb or doing word. Number 3. The dog barks at night. In this sentence, the word barks tells us what does the dog do at night. So, this word is a verb. In the same way, we will do all these sentences. Now, the next one, am is are. These are also verbs. First of all, look at these sentences. I am a dancer. Second, the dog is very active. Third, the chairs are new. In these sentences, am is are. These three words are verbs because am tells us what I am, is tells us what the dog is, and are tells us what the chairs are. So, am is are also verbs. So, verbs also tell us what a person, animal or thing is. Now, exercise B. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Monica is a good girl. In this sentence, the verb is. Number 2. Meena and Veena are sisters. Are is a verb because this word tells us what Meena and Veena are. In the same way, we will do the whole exercise. The next one, has, have. These two words are also verbs because the words has and have tell us what a person, animal or thing has. For example, Mona has a new pen. In this sentence, the word has tells us what Mona has. In the second sentence, we have a new pet. In this sentence, the word have tells us what we have. So, these two words are also verbs. Now, exercise C. Underline the verbs in these sentences. Number 1. Tanu has long hair. In this sentence, the word has is a verb because it tells us what does Tanu have. In the second sentence, the doll has blue eyes. In this sentence also, has is a verb because it tells us what does the doll have. In the third sentence, the children have new toys. Have is a verb. In the same way, we will do all these sentences. Now, the next one. Now, we will read about those verbs which are made up of 2 or 3 words. For example, Abhi is playing in the park. In this sentence, is playing is a verb and it is made up of 2 words. The next example, the train will be reaching the station at 4 p.m. In this sentence, will be reaching. This is a verb and it is made up of 3 words. Now come to exercise D. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. The stars are shining in the sky. In this sentence, are shining. This is a verb and it is made up of 2 words. Now come to sentence number 8. The plane will be arriving soon. In this sentence, will be arriving. This is a verb and it is made up of 3 words. Now sentence number 9. They have called me today. In this sentence, have called is a verb and it is made up of 2 words. Now the next page, exercise E. Tell us what they are doing with the help of words given in the box below. In this exercise, you have to look at these pictures and fill in these blanks. And you have been given this help box. You have to take the words from this help box. For example, number 1. In this picture, you can see that the boys are playing. So, the boys dash. We will write here are playing. And you have been given this word in this help box. In the second sentence, you can see that the girls are dancing. What are the girls doing? They are dancing. In the third sentence, you can see that this girl is cutting a cake. In the fourth sentence, what is this girl doing? She is reading a book. So, Malini dash a book. We will write here is reading and this is given in the help box also. In the same way, we will do this whole exercise. Now, I hope that all of you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you and have a nice day.